All right, so you're going to learn how to graph an inequality like you see here, and you're also going to learn how to do something else. So first up, you need to read these to yourselves. X is less than or equal to 5, and if you there's a screen or there's a cheat sheet I'll have uploaded for you, but you need to read that to yourself, even say it out loud since you're probably alone, so that you hear it, so that then you know which way to draw your arrow. So X is less than or equal to negative or to 5. So the first thing you have to do is decide if it's an open circle or a closed circle. Now you've got more symbol here, so you're going to have more symbol here. If you click again, that's when you get the open circle, but we need a closed circle. We need more symbol, so we need more symbol here. And then you have to decide which way you're going to go. Well, I want to go less than 5. Where are the numbers that are less than 5? They're over here. So then you just click. Oh, no, you don't click. You just extend to the end of the line, click, and then you have your line. So X is less than or equal to 5. That means the answer could be 5 or anything less than that. Here's another one. Again, read it out loud. It says X is less than 4. Just less than 4. So I'm going to go to 4. That's the easy part. And I need less symbol. Don't have the underline here. You don't have the or equal to. So I need to click so that I have the open circle. And then those are the numbers that are less than 4. So it's really important now that you know your signs. I'll do one more here. X is less than or equal to 4. So again, I go to 4. Less than or equal to, I need more symbol, so I'm going to keep that closed circle. And where are the numbers that are less than 4? Over here. So your answer could be 4, but it could be 0, it could be negative 4. Anything less than 4 could be the answer. You're not just going to have one answer anymore. All right, so now I'm going to go to the other link, and these you have to write the inequality for what the number line shows you. Okay, so you're going to start with X. You've got to type the X, and then you got to come up with your symbol. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or equal, but I don't think you can have any equals. Okay, so we're at 5. Got an open circle. That means it's going to be one of these two. It's going to be less symbol. Okay, 5 and bigger. So I need greater than, and that would be this one. So X is greater than, this part's the easy part, 5. So X is greater than 5. Your answer can be anywhere over here. It cannot be 5 though in this case. What does this inequality show? Again, you start with X, and you have an open circle. So it's going to be, again, one of these two. And the numbers that are marked are bigger than 3, greater than 3. So again, we're going to use greater than, and then the 3 is the easy part. So X is greater than 3. The answer could not be 3, but it can be anything bigger than 3. 3.000001 could be the answer. Anything bigger than 3. Start with your X. We have a closed circle. So this time I'm going to use one of these two. Greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Okay, well, the numbers marked by the number line, by the purple line, are less than 8. So I need this one that looks a little bit like an L, less than or equal to. Got to have that's filled in, so we got to have more circle here. And the number again is the easy part. X is less than or equal to 8. So the answer could be 8, but it could also be anything less than 8. We'll do one more. X. I'm just going to be silent here for a little bit and let you see if you can come up with the answer. Got to decide on the sign. And is it open or closed? Well, it's closed, so we need one of these two. And these numbers are, again, smaller than 7. So we need less than or equal to. And again, the number's easy part. X is less than or equal to 7. Submit that. And I think that you probably have it figured out by now. Good luck. Do a screenshot of after doing 10 problems. You're going to have to take 2 days to do this so that you can do 10 of each. Upload a screenshot each day that you do it.